What's up, and welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm going to be going over the step-by-step process that you take after you completed your challenge and verification on FTMO so that you can get your real funded account. Let's go. Hey, welcome back to the video. My name is Sergio, and in this channel, I do a lot of trading reviews, tutorials, and I teach you strategies and tips so that you can be a consistently profitable trader. There's gonna be links down below in the description of the video to everything that I talk about, as well as where you can find me on social media and my free Telegram group where I send out trade signals daily. So check that out. All right, so those of you that have been watching this FTMO series of videos up until now, you know that I just recently passed phase 2 verification stage of the challenge. So in this video, I'm gonna be breaking down the steps that follow that in order to get the funded account. So as soon as you pass stage 2 of the verification part of the challenge, you're gonna receive an email from FTMO congratulating you on passing the challenge and becoming an FTMO funded trader. So then the following step is that you should see a notification here on your dashboard where it says FTMO traders, and here under trader and contracts is where you're gonna have to click so that you can continue the process here. And you're gonna have to go through a total of 6 steps in order to go through the KYC verification. It means they have to verify you as a person or as a business if for tax purposes you want to register under your business name. So they're gonna pretty much have to verify all of that information. So step 1 is you're gonna have to let them know if you want to be paid under your name, your personal name, or under your business name. For example, I did it under my business name for tax purposes. Step 2 is you have to upload the documents. So you're gonna have to upload personal documents like your driver's license or ID. And if you're doing it under your business name, you have to download things like the articles of incorporation and your federal employment identification number with the IRS so that they report the earnings to your business, and you will have to report them when you do your taxes at the end of the year and pay taxes on the profit. So step 4 is to click the submit button and send them all your documents. Once you do, you should receive a message that looks like this. It's gonna say verification complete. That's the KYB verification for your business. And then after that, it'll move on to step number 4, which will look like this. And step number 4 is just so that you can fill out information about yourself, so you can let FTMO a little bit more about yourself. Step 5 is just note, something that you may want to let FTMO know, something important that they need to be aware of. So for example, here what I put is I just told them my goals, that pretty much my goal is to over time increase the funded account balance over time, or open up new FTMO accounts and link them all together. And then step number 6 is the final step. They're gonna, once you fill all that information, there's gonna be a contract there on this page here. So over here, like I said, you go to FTMO traders and it's gonna show a contract here. You just have to click on it and review it and sign it. And then once you do that, FTMO will receive that signed contract, and it says that they could take from 1 day up to 4 days to process. But for me, it was actually super quick. They did it within an hour. So within an hour, I had my FTMO funded account, and I saw this message here. It says, congratulations on passing all the requirements. Your FTMO account begins after your first trade. You can withdraw 80% profit split. So this just pretty much means that they opened my account. So I went into my dashboard over here, and as you can see, this is the actual FTMO account. It says right here, FTMO account. It's not a challenge account like this one, challenge or verification. This is the actual account here. We're gonna go to metrics. As you can see, I just got it today. I haven't done anything on it. 0, everything for now. So yeah, total days that it took me is, let me see, yesterday was Monday. So yesterday was when I officially passed the minimum 10 trading days for the stage 2 verification part of it. I went right ahead and sent them an email letting them know that I passed it so that they could process it faster. I uploaded right away. As soon as I got their confirmation, I uploaded my company docs and my personal driver's license so that they can have that information. And just 1 day later, so today, that was yesterday, so Monday, today, Tuesday, at about 10 to 11 a.m. is when I received the actual funded account. So that was super quick. It only took 1 day for me. I'm not saying it's gonna take only a day for you. It may take longer, it may take less, but The point is that FTMO customer service is very fast in the response time and in creating these accounts for us. So that's something definitely to take advantage of. All right, everyone. So that is pretty much what happens after you pass your FTMO challenge. That is the KYC and KYB verification that you have to go through after you pass the challenge. It's super quick. Like I said, it only took me a day. You have to upload some, easy docs so that they can verify you. And right away, I got my funded account. So this is the actual funded account here. We're gonna continue trading this just like I traded the challenge accounts, following the same rules, same trading strategy, same trading plan, and keeping a good mindset. So in tomorrow's video, we're gonna go over all of the days that I'm gonna take on the first day on this live FTMO account. So go ahead and destroy that like button, as it helps me out a lot and get this video out to more people, and I really do appreciate it. And it lets me know to keep making more of these videos. Comment down below, let me know, now that I already passed this FTMO series of videos, what type of new trading videos you want to see. All right, so that is all for this one. I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video. As always, peace.